Leadfeeder is a lead generation and website tracking tool that helps businesses identify and engage with companies visiting their site. Here's a beginner-friendly guide to using Leadfeeder. Sign up and log in. First, sign up for a Leadfeeder account on Leadfeeder's website and log in to access your dashboard. Connect Google Analytics. Leadfeeder integrates with Google Analytics. In your Leadfeeder account, connect Google Analytics by following the simple prompts to authorize the integration. This allows Leadfeeder to track website visitors and provide insights on company visits. View website visitors. Once connected, Leadfeeder will display a list of companies visiting your website. You can see key details such as company name, website, pages viewed, and the duration of their visit. Filter and qualify leads. Use filters to sort visitors by criteria such as recent visits, the number of pages viewed, or engagement level. This helps prioritize leads that are more likely to convert. Reach out. Leadfeeder provides contact information for some companies. You can use these details for outreach via email or phone, or integrate with your CRM to automate follow-ups. Track conversions. Leadfeeder provides analytics to track how well your outreach campaigns convert visitors into customers.